this makeup turned out amazing. Like we did all shimmer shades, y'all, no mattes. We broke the rules a little bit with the makeup today. We used a lip liner for our eyeliner today. All of this burgundy beautiful you see under my eyes and on top of my eyelids, that is a lip liner. We used the Makeup by Mario palette. This palette is absolutely stunning. We used it all over our eyes to create a very shimmery eyeshadow look. I did not want to use any mattes today. I wanted this to be easy. I wanted to play around with some color. I just wanted to play in makeup today. So if you want to learn how to do this look, grab your tools and let's go ahead and get into it. So I thought I was recording, y'all, and I already started my eyeshadow. So let's start from the top because this whole 5 minute introduction, I was not recording. How ironic is that? Like, make sure when you are recording, you have your checklist, which I do, but I never mess play. I already prepped and primed my face. I used the Moisture Surge by Clinique. I also used this free like milk cream that I got in my birthday kit, a cream skin toner and moisturizer, e.l.f. primer. I have to use this, y'all. I don't care if I don't use none of the other stuff. I gotta use this because I feel like it just makes my foundation stick. And then I also did a little bit of color correction. I used the LA Girl concealer to color correct around my mouth a little bit, underneath my eyes. And then when I color correct, I take a little bit of my setting powder to set my color correction. I feel like if I don't do that, then my concealer and my foundation, sometimes it can pull off a little bit orange because I guess it's just mixing in with that color correction. So I do like to set it so it don't move. What we are doing today is going to be this fun, bronzy, coppery golds with green. I just want to mix them all together and see how it comes out. Y'all, it's Thanksgiving, so I wanted to do something fun with my makeup because you know you're going to be around family, you're going to be taking pictures. So I wanted to have fun with my makeup today. The Makeup by Mario palette. This palette is so gorgeous. I think I want to go into this brown shade right here, some of this green, some of this gold. I think I'm just going to play around with it, y'all. I don't have an exact layout on what I want to do. I'm just mixing as I go. Where we are right now, because I thought I was recording, we already have the deepest brown shade, the first shade that I showed you. We already applied it to the upper part of our crease going up towards our brow, and I just blended it out like this. I think I'm going to go in with some of the gold. Yeah, it's a little bit closer to the brown shade than what I wanted. So there's another like lighter gold shade. I'm going to try that one. Okay. Now I'm just mixing it in with the brown, like because it's going to touch and we want it to. Now we are going to go in with the green, and I'm just going to put that green shade in the center. We're just leaving a little bit of room at the inner corner right here because we're going to do one more shade there. You want them to touch and you want them to blend. Just like that. Oh, I'm already liking it. It's giving like fall leaves. This shade is really, really light. So we're just going to use a little bit in that inner corner. We always be saying a little bit and then we be using a lot. I've passed my little bit. So it's very, very subtle, but the shimmer is very, very pretty. I've never did a full shimmer eye. I don't know how I feel about it, but we're going to keep going before I change my mind. I want to do something very bold. Y'all just bear with me. Just bear with me because this is about to be either really good or it's about to be really, really bad. So I want to do this burgundy, very berry eyeliner. Well, this is a lip liner, but we're going to use it on our eyes. So I want to use this for my eyeliner instead of doing black. I told y'all we were going for fall. So we're doing burgundies, the shimmers, the greens, the golds, and now we got some burgundy liner. So let's try this out together. All right, so for starters, I'm just going to pull my eye a little bit just so I can get a tighter grip. Oh, it's actually really pretty. That's different. Not bad. Not bad. I actually like it. Because I want to be a little bit extra and I want it to stay, I'm going to take some liquid lipstick. And this is probably about the same shade. And I'm going to go on top of it with this. So I'm going to use this really small brush to draw over it. And this is going to help it stay because even though this is a cream lip liner, it probably wouldn't stay in place. So we're just going to draw over it with this. And this will like set it and dry it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, and then when we add the lashes, oh, I love this. All right, so now we're just going to apply some liner on the bottom and then we're going to smoke out the bottom with the same colors. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and conceal our face. We're going to use some of the NARS foundation. I'm actually obsessed with this foundation right now. I recently picked it up and I absolutely love it. Look at that blend. It's perfect. The color match is perfect. A little bit more concealer. Now we're going to set the underneath our eyes. I'm setting my face with the MAC Loose Deep Powder all over all the areas where I applied the foundation and not on the areas that I did concealer. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and finish underneath our waterline. So I'm just going to take this shade and I'm just going to like go underneath my waterline really heavy. That is so pretty. It's okay if this part gets a little bit messy because we're just going to smudge it out. If you cannot do this part, don't do it because we're going to have to move quickly because we are using a matte lipstick. And you know they dry kind of fast. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this color, like a little bit, y'all, not a lot. This is going to make it a little bit deeper, but it's also going to set everything. Yes. I'm going to go ahead and add my blush. I have been on this blush. I cannot get off of this blush. I have been using it with every single makeup look. So I'm going to go in with the deeper shade. I'm going heavy on the blush today. I don't care. I always take the extra and put around my forehead. Because you see how it just warms that up and then it ties all that together. So we're going to clean up the underneath and then we're going to add some mascara. For lips, I think I want to do something really warm. I'm going to do something with the brown and I'm going to do something with the berry. Or should I do like a, well, we got so much going on. We got greens, we got golds. Do I want to do berry to bring this look out? I don't know. Y'all help me. If I mix these two together, I feel like I should go more towards like a gold, like a soft gold on my lips. Let's see. This honey wheat. Okay, y'all remember when I told y'all about this color? It's so pretty, and I've had this for a long time. Okay, so we are gonna go in with this buxom lip gloss, and this is in the color Sabrina. And then I'm going to take this Anastasia Gilded Lip Gloss. This is old too, but I'm just going to put a little bit of that gold in the middle. With the outfit, with the hair, everything just goes perfectly together. Like this turned out really good. I love the burgundy on my eyelids as my eyeliner. I absolutely love how this turned out. Sometimes you just got to take a risk and not be scared, even though I was a little scared. But I did it anyway. I did it scared. Definitely recommend breaking the rules with makeup. Like just because it's an eyeliner don't mean it can't go on your lips. Just because it's a lip liner does not mean it cannot go on your eyes. Break the rules a little bit and see what it does for you because this is stunning. I actually love how this turned out with a little bit of green and the shimmer eyeshadow. It makes it so subtle. Even though we played around with a little bit of color, it's not very bold. It's still subtle. It's still very pretty. I absolutely love how it looks. I hope that you find something good in today, even if it's the food, the people you get to see, the smile on people's faces. Just find the joy in today. Love you all. Bye bye.